What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Boys Family Dinner, where we like to eat well on a budget.
Today we are going to be making Copycat Kneaders French toast for Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Alright, so the most important ingredient for this is the bread. We actually live by a Kneaders, so we picked up a loaf of their cinnamon bread. But if you don't live by a Kneaders, you can use any cinnamon bread. Alright, so we lost our bread knife, and this is the only other serrated knife that we had. So I'm just going to cut this into thick slices.
Those of you guys that don't know what Kneaders is, it's a breakfast brunch place that we had while we were in Utah and Idaho that has the best French toast. When you go to the restaurant, it's all you can eat, and so we wanted to try to make it here at home for Mother's Day. So we're going to start out making our custard. We're going to start with 3 eggs and add our milk, and then to that mixture we're going to add some cinnamon. To make it a little bit sweeter, we're going to add a little bit of cinnamon sugar, and then we'll mix that all together.
While Drew's making the custard, I am going to start heating up our flat top pan. We're just going to turn it on to medium-high heat.
Alright, so we're going to get our pan ready, just putting a little bit of butter down. Then we're going to soak our bread in the custard. So if you have more time to let it soak in the custard, the better. Especially this is a pretty dense bread, so you want to make sure that it actually gets into the bread. So we're kind of hungry and kind of in a rush, so we're going to do our best to get as much in it as we can. After it's been on for a few minutes, we're going to go ahead and flip it.
Hello? You want to talk to Ray Ray? Alright, we are going to get started on our syrup. So we are going to add 1 cup of brown sugar, stuck in there. 1 cup of light corn syrup. And 1 cup of heavy cream. And then we are just going to whisk this all together over a medium heat. Alright, so our French toast is done cooking, so we are just going to top it with some of the caramel syrup. And then this is totally optional, but it makes it better if you want to add some whipped cream. Oh, there it goes. And some strawberries.
Alright, y'all, thanks for watching, and happy Mother's Day.